So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never good just had regrets. So I won't go back. Oh, but I got me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Moonshine back again.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So as you guys can see, this is our new project for Animal Racing Customs. I told you guys I would not step back, even though our panel beating section has been closed permanently. Now I will continue and do my best for my passion that I have with cars. I love speed, I love sound, and this Volkswagen Up has everything in between, and this is already customization already. It's not what I want so far, but this is where I come in and you guys come in. I would like to know, what would you guys like to see on this vehicle? I would like to change out the wheels, change out the interior a little bit, and work on the car a bit, make it unique. Animal Racing Customs build, get the fitment right. It's got an Airlift performance suspension in it. It's got a single sub. It's got a custom boot install for the air tank with the hardlines. It looks amazing so far at the back. I love that look so far. But what would you guys like to see? I want to build this car for VDub Camp Festival next year, for 2023, and hopefully showcase it on VDub Camp Festival next year. So if it wasn't for you guys and all your support, I wouldn't be able to do this. So thank you very much to each and every one of you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the shit out of our posts, and sticking with us through the hard times we had with the panel beating section. But I think this car is going to be amazing. It is what it is right now. It already has a bunch of modifications to it, but I would like to make it unique, maybe put a theme to it. And yeah, what name would you guys give this car? Love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and we will be back up and running with videos as we progress on this vehicle. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share the shit out of it. I know everybody likes a Volkswagen or a VDub car, and I think this is a very nice base to start off of, especially because it already has the air ride suspension. It's already got some sound, so it's just to make it perfect and unique to our style. And hopefully in the future do a small turbo kit on the front. I might think of that, just to put it over the top.